Ndakugeithia murori wa Kiheo TV hwaine wa umuthi na ngakihoka wi gutindia thayo akunyita ugeni na gukwamukira na mwoko meri thiini wa mutamburuko wa Kiheo Kabiru na niguo tukorwo twikumenyithia maria matukinyire metha-ini itu ya mohoro hwaine wa umuthi ni njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani nake mutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Sharon wa Gicuhi. Tukiambiriria ni ati aciari na arutwo thukuru-ini cia kuinuka mathira mari riu na undu wa gukungwira ona gukenerera na oni thutha wa mubunge wa mathira Eric wa Mumbi kwanirira kweheria marihi ma thukuru kaunti-ini iyo. Oni thiku nini tu thutha wa mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi kwaniriria itua riake o tariu na kuria maririhaga muigana wa ciringi 500 ithenya-ini ya ciringi 1000 iria mararihaga na hau kabere. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa thekondarĩ wa Kangosho hindi ya kirugurio gia tabarĩra ya masomo bora kwa wote kwirikanĩtie ati mibango ĩno yambĩrĩirie mwaka ũmwe tu thutha wa guthurwo.
We started this program in 2023 after 1 year after my election as the Member of Parliament for this constituency. We have the parents for this constituency, those who have students at day schools, have been paying 1,000 every term and have been paying the other school fees using NGCDF. With time, I have made good plans, and this year, due to experience and good planning, I have now reduced the school fees for all the schools in Madeira to 0. No students will pay anything. No parent will be paying anything, and we are also pushing for 100% transition. I have engaged chiefs and assistant chiefs to go around in every home, in every school, bring all the pupils who did grade 9 exams and make sure that all of them have joined grade 10 and they are going to learn to go to school free of charge. I have the money. I met with the principals and BOMs of all the schools, and we agreed the money, the amount of money I'm going to pay per every student, and I'm also going to supply enough foodstuffs to all the schools. On top of the money that I'm going to pay, I'm going to supply foodstuffs to all the schools to make sure that the students are comfortable and they are going to learn throughout the year without being
Tukiuma mwena wa mathira riu tukwereka kungi na kuria mibango ni rikirire ya kiungano kia African France Summit na kiria gigatabanirio guku Nairobi mweri wa gatano mwaka uyu. Ni miario ya nyabara wa Minister Musalia Mudavadi augite ati giki nikio kiungano kia mbere ukorwo gitabanirio bururi-ini wa Africa kuma mwaka-ini wa 1973.
The commitment to host the summit was made during a high-level meeting between Kenya's President William Ruto and President Emmanuel Macron of France during the 79th session of UNGA in 2024 in New York. Accordingly, the two heads of state and government issued a joint communique on 24th September 2025 on the sidelines of the 80th session of the UNGA, reaffirming the convening of this summit. So basically, some thought and some prior consultation was undertaken. And for us as Kenya, we really feel honored to be the first non-French speaking country to be participating in this forum. A lot of the nations represented here have had this forum held in their countries at different times. So this is the first for us. And therefore we wish to make the very best out of it and make it a success. But your input, your experience is going to be very valuable in this interaction.
This will be a very important moment, other than the fact that it is symbolically very important of this kind of summit, because this will allow embodying the reinvention of our relationship with African countries. And when we talk about the relationship which is different with each country of the continent, but it will also allow us to showcase this diversification with the organization of this summit with our Kenyan friends in Nairobi, and we'd like to thank you for this. It's also an important moment because it will be the first summit in this format since the Bamako summit. As you will remember, it was in January 2017, and I know that many of you had shared the desire to renew with Africa-France summits.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati murugamiriri munene university-ini wa Jaramogi Odinga mwena wa Kisumu Professor Francis Angawa ni na uria na njuragano agwikara o njera-ini thutha wa igoti nene kumuima budi. Professor Angawa hamwe na muikariri giti Meshak Diege na Joash Odhiambo Ongoro aingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Siaya kurumirira itua ria mucirithania David Kimei. Atatu aya makuruhanitio na gikuo kia Dennis Ambrose Ocheng kiria kiahanikire tariki 15 mweri wa 11 mwaka muhituku.
Then you can find the report. 2. The CI County Education Officer is hereby directed to file the mandate with nearby CI.
Na tugithie na mbere ni ati anyiti itemi mwena wa iria-ini ni moritie unyitaniri makiria na niguo kunina thina na uritu uria ukoretwo iria-ini. Akiaria ari Mombatha hindi ya kurekereria andu 10 a kubundithio, murugamiriri munene wa bandari Eric Katana augite ati ni gukoragwo na mathina kiondorita na moritu gukirikana ati arutwo 120 ni mabatiirie guthomithio no indi gutire kurahoteka.
We've been able to sign recently an MOU with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, so there's more opportunities coming. We've also signed an MOU with the Dominican Republic, and we're also very soon signing an MOU with Singapore. Singapore is one of the biggest flag states in the world, so we're going to sign. That means more and more opportunities for the Kenyan youth.
This is a great opportunity for Kenyan seafarers where we are able to progress the maritime education and training. It can never be enough without having sea service, because the required sea service is what makes a seafarer a seafarer. They can go to academic studies, but without the required sea service, they cannot be a complete seafarer.
This is, of course, a problem that people start education and they cannot get the practical sea times to become officers. But I hope that our small project here with the 10 cadets is going to push others to come too. And I'm sure the cadets here, what I've seen today, are also here. I'm sure the cadets will be successful here. And from these 10 you see around here, one of them will be the first Kenyan captain on a foreign ship one day. Yeah?
This is a very good experience for us, and we want to promise Waziri Joho and the entire fraternity of Bandari Maritime Academy that we're not going to disappoint you. We're going out there to make Bandari proud, and we'll come back with very good results.
Na riboti yo igukorwo igituhe kanya ga kwamba gukorwo tugiikiria no ni tugukorwo tugicokereria tukorwo tugikumenyithia o mangi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ni wiharirie kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku tuthomithagia kothi tiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nimo maundu megemainie na uthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo. Ni turi na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex Gatandatu kurigania na TRM. No tuhurire thimu namba 0713 niyo 0701 kana no tucherere rurenda-ini rwitu ni ruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo njoo nami, twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo nami, twende Kemuma engineering system. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Kabarira ya Korimotha ikoretwo igukinyira o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia wa kana thaa 4 cia rucine kinyagia thaa 7 cia miaraho. Riu yukite na nditi nene muno makiria. Riu tabarira ya Korimotha ugiterevo na your number 1 microphone commander Kamau wa Waithera KW. Kawa mari hamwe na women rep Susan wa Ngoro
atuthiete wega aste
iri gukinyagira kwambiriria thaa 5 cia rucini kinyagia thaa 7 cia miaraho. Riu iri na mwarahuko wa magegania mathaa meri ma rwimbo tu, mwago utangitigika. Uri wakinya handu ugatua matua ma gucenjia muturire waku o rimwe, wanakorwo na ihinda ria gwicurania na kuona ati muturire waku ndurathie na mbere uria kwagiriire. Matua nomo mangigukinyia kuria wanerireria, no ni mabataraga guthingatithio na kurumio.
Itanagira na ni MC John wa Githomo gikurehera andu manatua matua muturire-ini na itumi cia gutua matua mau.
Turakurehera tabarira ya muthingi wigue uria matua mangi manateithia aria mana matua na kumagarurira muturire.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nitwacokereria ngakunyita ugeni tuthi na mbere na gukumenyithia na kuria aikari a Huruma kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu nimokirire thirikari kaunti-ini iyo ni kiria maugite ni kwigwatira barabara oro mwe na kwigwatira gicunji kia mugunda uria kwirikanite ni wa muingi. Maugite ati barabara ni ibataire gukorwo igiakwo na riu ni matetete makiuga ati andu kiumbe ni megwatire mugunda uyu riu makikorwo makiaga gwaka tabarira cia bata waki wa thibitari na kuiga miturire yao thina-ini ona hatikaini nene.
We will call all those people who are mentioned here in that petition. The director of lands, the CEC representing the CEC for lands will be here with us to actually tell us how these people, how these grabbers are able to get papers and are able to edit maps and are able to get those documentation which are in your custody. Kama hawajatumia corruption kupata ile, basi utatuambia nini? And you know, Shauri ni mahali penye it's a small estate but with numerous grabbers. Grabbers are ni wengi kushinda taraia.
Hii ploti ambayo wanasema ni barabara ilikuwa ya wazazi wangu na walinunua in 1960s na si moja ni mbili. Kuna wakati ilifika nikagonjeka sana na familia ilinisaidia. So nikaona nimewasumbua sana, nikaweka kibanda mbele ya plot 17. Arudi akasema miaka yangu na hiyo ploti haifanani. Yani haitoshani, mimi ni mdogo sana. Kwa hiyo ni title deed. Na mimi nikatoa barua ya grant, nikatoa death certificate. Brother yangu ambaye ni administrator alikuwa pale akaexplainia na wakubwa wakaangalia. Wakamuuliza hii ni wakati ya ukoloni, wizi iko wapi hapa?
Na hakika hiyo ilikuwa sehemu yenye ilikuwa imewachwa ya kutumika kama sehemu ya watoto kuchezea na barabara ipite hapo. Na iko sehemu ya katikati, barabara yenye wanasema watafunga katikati. Tulikuwa tumewekewa mifereji ya maji. Tulikuwa tumewekewa mifereji mara mbili ili watu ya shauri upande ya nyuma wakitoka tunapatana hapo katikati.
Juu yenyewe vile walipanga, waliweka hata hiyo public utility mahali watu wanaweza kupitia. Njia ambazo zinaelekea kama hiyo inafungwa atini ploti. Ni njia ambayo inaelekeza watu mahali hospitali iko hapo karibu. Ofisi ya chifu iko hapo. Na pia hata ulinzi, security ya polisi iko hapo. Hiyo ndio barabara inataka kufungwa. Na hatuwezi kubali, hiyo ni makosa.
Kila mtu angekuwa nafanya hivyo. Kuna sehemu nyingine iko hapo katikati ya Shauri. Pia wao kama familia wanataka kuclaim. Na tunawa warn seriously, mjaribu tena.
Na tugithii na mbere riu tukwerekera kaunti-ini ingi na kuria arutwo na aciari thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Rugushu gicigo-ini kia Mburi kaunti-ini ya Meru mena undu wa gukenerera na uni kurumirira waki wa irathi ithano uria wambiriirio ni ruhonge rwa nyamurwa lewa unyitaniri-ini na nyiti itemi angi. Akiaria hindi ya kirugurio kia waki ucio, afitha munene wa lewa uria urugamirire githomo Purity Kinoti augite ati githomo ni umwe wa maundu ma bata na maria mabataire gukorwo makirumbuyo ona gukorwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere na niguo gukinyaniria githomo mathukuru-ini.
We are here to hand over a very important project to the school community, to the parents. In the year 2025, with the partnership, in partnership with our sponsors, we were able to put up 5 classrooms in this very school. And today we are here to hand over that project of 5 classrooms, 1-story building of 4 classrooms, and another separate classroom, making it 5. These classrooms are furnished. These classrooms are installed with interactive smart boards. These classrooms are installed with the internet as well. So children can access digital resources while in these classrooms. Apart from these 5, Lewa has previously built 7 other classrooms. So in total, we have been able to support this school with a total of 12 classrooms to date. And this school is among the 28, like I said, Overall, we have been able to do 184 classrooms in all the 28 schools that we are talking about.
Even as a conservation organization, we believe in partnership, and we know everything is possible when like minds come together and build a reliable partnership. And that is what LEWA represent, public, private, community partnerships, so that people can pool their resources together and deliver good classrooms, good facilities for learning. We believe education is very key to transform our young generation, and hence the reason why LEWA invests in education. And because education has a variety of aspects to do, today we are celebrating delivering proper classrooms.
Let me say that we are very, very happy for the partnership, because we commissioned this one and we are also commissioning the other building which was complete by then. And yes, you can see for yourself, it is a building which is built to standard. Furniture is there, and additionally they have done what is not found in our schools. It's a milestone, and we appreciate LEWA Conservancy for doing that.
Wakati LEWA waliingilia huku walitusaidia sana, wametubandishia shule ikakuwa ya high class. Sasa hii madarasa yetu hakuna ya mbao, yote ni ya mawe. Wanafunzi wetu wanasoma vizuri.
LEWA wameingilia hii shule wakati haikuwa na madarasa mazuri, wakati ilikuwa chini sana, lakini wakaingilia wakatusaidia kujenga madarasa, wakatusaidia kujenga pia na staff room, wakatusaidia pia kuleta maji ambayo imekuwa ya msaada katika hii shule. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana LEWA Conservancy kwa sababu ya pale ambao wametutoa. Watoto wetu wako pahali pasuri, pahali wanafurahia.
Na riboti yo igie waki wa irathi ikorwo gituithiraniria Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe maya na mangi maingi tunyitanire cianda wega thaa ithatu tugacokia ngatho cia mwanya ni tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithuĩ na hamwe na arĩa othe makorwo manyitirĩire mwaro nigetha we utwamũkĩre na njĩra njega tugacokia ngatho. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kimani, mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Sharon wa Gĩcũĩ, ngakwendithĩria wĩroreri mwega wa tabarĩra citũ iria irathiĩ na mbere.